Have you ever watched a video and thought, wow, I wish I could use this scene in my animation? Well, here's the good news, you actually can. Converting video into image frames is a powerful trick, especially if you are working on an animation project but struggle with drawing characters or backgrounds from scratch. By breaking down a video into still frames, you get ready-made references to trace, study, or even stylize in your own unique way. It's a great way to understand poses, movement, lighting, and scenery without spending hours figuring out perspective or proportions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily extract frames from any video using VLC Player, a free, simple tool that works on most devices. So whether you are an aspiring animator, an artist looking for reference material, or just curious, you are in the right place. Let's get started. We are going to generate frames for this video using VLC Player. First of all, we will find out the frame rate. That is how many frames are there in this video for every second. I want to capture every single frame. So, open the properties of video. Go to details. You will see the frame rate here. Just remember it. Now open VLC Player. Go to Tools, then Preferences. Under Show Settings, click on All. Scroll down to Video Settings list and click on Filters. Now check the Scene Video filter. Now expand the Filters drop-down. Scroll down and click on Scene Filter. Now enter the frame rate of your video here. We have to specify the output folder in directory path prefix. Let's create a folder for captured frames on desktop. Open the folder and click the path from here. Now get back to VLC settings. Paste the folder path here. Click Save. Now play any video with VLC Player. Minimize the video. You can see that VLC is capturing all the frames and saving those in output folder. The quality of frames is awesome. Remember to turn off these settings in VLC, otherwise, it will keep on saving frames for every video play. Please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.